Hey guys, Bing here. Today let's try to model something like this one. So the Millennium Dome. Okay, so let's start. So first, create. I'm going to model it as a model in place. Okay, so this one. So create a project. Okay, so then model in place, mass. Okay, and okay. And I'm going to model it in 3D view. Okay, so go to 3D view. So first place one point, and then place another point. Set work plane on this point, place, and then drag it up. So this will be the height. So let's create a height h. Okay, so height. I'm going to just instant parameter. This is height. So for example, 15 meter. Okay, so now we need to create this shape. So okay, so point, set, draw on work plane, set, and place it here. So now we have this just offset a little bit. So we can just create a offset. Let's call it OF. So okay, and then we need another point from here. So draw work plane and drag this to about here. So this will be the radius. So this will be the radius of the whole structure. Let's call it R. And so select these 3 points, spline and reference line. Okay. Maybe I need to make it so roughly there. So yeah, we can adjust them later. So, okay, so now we need a what's that called? We need a line here, vertical line here. So sorry, still point, draw on work plane, set, pick the horizontal work plane, tab, not this one, and then place it here, and drag it up a little bit, and then place another point on this one, on the new this one, and place another point. Okay, so go up, select these two reference. Oh, sorry, spline reference line. Now select this one, this curve, together with this one, create form. So now we have this shape. Yeah, and you can go to family types. So here, so we have some parameters. So for example, offset. This will slightly change the shape of this structure. So this is the radius, and this will be the height. Okay, so the next step is to we need to see all these grids line. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 of them. 12 of these structure, and each structure will have there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 12, that's about 72. Okay, so set is surface, divide surface, and here I'll have this one, I think 72. Oh, that's probably too much. That's probably 72 for the whole, so maybe 36. Yeah, so that's these grids, and then also that's these grids. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. So just select these and change that to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fine, maybe 7. Okay, so now we have this shape, and let's place this structure. Okay, so I'll temporarily hide this. Okay, so now, and also this surface. Now we need to reference and then circle, draw on work plane, set work plane, place on this tab, horizontal work plane, and then draw a circle. So and then radius, and then I'll create this radius parameter. Let's call it R2. So this circle, we will use this to place the structure. So place a click on this circle and divide path. So because we need 12, type in 12, so it's 12 of them, and yep, and then we can place that structure. So for that one, I'm going to just model it as a generic model adaptive. Okay, and for this one, so first place 1 point, and then place another one, tab horizontal work plane, and pick and OK, and drag this up. So and then give it a height parameter. So let's call it height, just height, maybe structural height. Okay, SH, and I'll leave it as type for now. So okay, and we also need a offset. So because it's not straight, right? We need an offset. So point, draw on work plane, set work plane, and drag it. So this will be the offset. Let's call it structure offset SO. Type as well. Okay, so now select these 2 points, spline, different side, and for now I'm just going to just do a very simple shape. I'm not going to do it like this one. Okay, so I'll just place a point, draw a surface, and place a point here, and just draw a circle, draw on work plane, set work plane, and roughly maybe like that. 200, maybe too small, maybe 1 meter. Okay, and change that to design and create form. So sorry, we need to make adaptive for the first one. So okay, so that's pretty much it. Now load this into here, and then we can place it. So let's go to 3D view and try to place it, and you will see it goes follow the circle. So no, not right. So let's go back to this one, and here that's option always vertical. Check that, and let's try again. Go to 3D view. Let's place another component. So this time it's vertical, but it's to the wrong direction. That's fine. Go back to the family. So what we need is just click on this point, change it 180 degrees, and load back and override. So now let's do it again in 3D view, component, and place it. Yep. So now it's facing the correct direction. And okay, so of course let me HR, and we need to make it higher. So edit type. So these structure offset height. For the height, maybe let's try 30 meter. 30 meter, and offset maybe 5 meter. Something like this. Yep, close. maybe 7 here. Okay, so once you're happy, select it and repeat. So now we have all these. Yeah, and also if you look at that, you might need to, it's like half, a little bit more than half. Let's have a look. So yeah, maybe we need to move them up or outward a little bit. So what you can do is just, so remember we have this R2 radius of this circle. So we just go family tab R2, typing let's try 30 meter. Yep. So better. So I think let's look at this one. Yeah. Or maybe I'll just quickly do all the members as well. So let's go create a new family. So generic adaptive, and place full point 1, 2, 3, 4. Make adaptive, and so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These two will be straight line. So just create spline. These two straight line spline, and spline. We will need extra point for 1, 2, and 3, 4. So just place point, draw space, draw face in the middle, and then point, draw on work plane, set horizontal work plane, place it, set horizontal work plane, set, place it, okay, and drag it down. So I'm going to drag it up here, and then just change 180, so we will have a positive offset. So for this one, I'll give it a parameter. Let's call it what do we call it? Members net MO, and okay. So MO 600. So let's, and then we can select these 1, 2, 3 points. Spline reference line, same spline reference line, and then select these two curve and create form. So this will be it. And now we can load this into the project. So go back to 3D view and let's place it. So before that we need to go here and check the nodes. So you can step onto the nodes. So create component, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. So change to shade so we can see the model better. So and then select it, repeat. So looks like it's a little bit too much a curve. So maybe I'll go just select this the whole repeater, and then edit type. So we can change this to maybe 300. Okay, so yeah, still, yeah, because this one it's quite flat. So maybe I'll just do it 100. Yeah, it's a little bit warning, but I'll just ignore it now. Yeah, so something like this. So if I tend to hide this, no, let's go back. HI, so only show this, and then yep, let's do the same. Create component. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Select it, repeat. Yep. I know why it's happening. The warning. So because these one only have 1, 2, 3 points. So you can't place this one. So probably for this one, if you need to, we might need another one. So I'll just go create. Oh, sorry, I won't create one. I'll just go to generic model. I'll just edit that one instead. Go back. What's the latest one? This one. Edit. I'll delete 1 point, and I'll only have one to delete this one as well. Delete instance. Click, and then spline reference line, and I need this shape. So 1, 2, 3. Click place. So we have this. Right. So 1, 2, 3. Make sure you save as a different name. I'll call it family 3. I probably already have family 3 in. I'll call it different. I have too many files there, so I'll call it 333. Save and load this into the project. So now I can place it. Go to 3D view. So and then place it 1, 2, 3. Maybe I need to change this to 100 as well. And then click it, repeat. Oops. What's happening here? Nope, it's not right. It also repeat to here to these as well. So see, it's not only repeat in this area, it's also repeat in all these nodes. So it's not right. Let me think. What do I do? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, and another 1, 2, 3. Let's try if I can do it only in here. It works? Oh, great. Yes, it works. See, only repeat in this area now. So let's do this part. So component 1, 2, 3, and another one 1, 2, 3. Select these two and repeat. And great. Let me confirm if I temporarily hide this one. Yeah, that's only here, so that's great. So now we have this for the whole shape, the structure, and also these columns. It's not really columns for now, but yeah, probably next time we'll try to model this shape. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question, let me know. I'll see you next time.